Hi everybody, in this video I will explain you my views, my thoughts on whether a career gap candidates should use fake experience or proxy interviews or backdoor job processes. My answer will be no, not at all required. If a candidate has less than 5 years of career gap or non-IT experience, and then if you want to move towards IT career, you want to join a software company into software processes, then my suggestion will be learn the skill, work on a real-time project, gain expertise in that particular skill, and then join a startup company. Startup companies, small organizations or mid-level companies which has very low budget or low investment, just starting now. Those kind of companies you will easily get in your city, in your location. Join those companies. You might need to be compromised with the salary packages, because few small companies, startup companies, they will not pay you very high, so you have to compromise with the salary packages. But if you join those companies, you will learn skill and you will get a genuine experience also. If you work in that company for 1 year or more than 1 year, with that experience, then you can join, or then you can search bigger organizations or multinational companies. In that situation, multinational companies will consider your experience, they will consider your skill set, they will not see if you have non-IT experience or what exactly you did in those gap years. Only your skills will speak on your behalf once you get a real-time experience or genuine experience. So this is my view. You need not have to go behind fake experience, proxy interviews or backdoor jobs. Now what about people who have more than 5 years of career gap or more than 5 years of non-IT experience? 5 years of more non-IT experience candidate getting into a smaller organization, startup company as a fresher, their financial commitments may get disturbed. So what I would recommend is, you can search for very relevant job. If you are working in sales and marketing, search for IT sales and marketing in software companies only. There your 5 years of non-IT experience will also be considered. So that is my suggestion, that is my views I have expressed or I have shared with you. If you have any questions, you can put down in the comment section. If you like my answers, if you like my clarification, then please click the like button for this video. If you're only watching my videos or watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon as well. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you so much and namaste.